Well, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Quail Lodge Golf Club and the Peninsula Signature event, it is with great pleasure we welcome you all today to the 19th annual The Quail, a Motorsports Gathering.
We've got die-hard car enthusiasts that are here to see the most amazing motor cars. We've got professional athletes, Hollywood types, it's everybody you can imagine. There's nothing like this in the world. This is unique and it's got Peninsula signature all over it.
Well, the Quail Motorsports Gathering really has blossomed into this wonderful garden party atmosphere where people can come and enjoy beautiful automobiles. We have wonderful culinary experiences for people, beautiful lifestyle experiences, and under this beautiful California sun.
This is my first ever car show. For these many cars to descend upon one place and for all the passionate people coming to see this car show, super excited.
To be here, part of the Women in Motorsports panel, I mean, any exposure is just incredible for us. I'm so honored. I think the Quail is probably one of the most iconic events here at Monterey Car Week.
I've grown up with this event. I'm so proud of what it's become. I just can't wait to see what happens in the future with this event.
I was shocked when I saw this. I'd seen pictures of it online. This thing has been built over the last few years. It is very deserving of winning the Quailagons Award. Joe Scarbo, thank you very, very much for bringing it up for us. Well done, pal.
The winner of the Rolex Circle of Champions Best of Show is the 1956 Jaguar D-Type, brought to us by William Pope.
What draws motoring enthusiasts anywhere is passion. Those who come here encourage us to make it better and better each year. And with the setting of Quail Lodge as a host, I think we've been extremely fortunate.